Hi, I'm Shehroze, and I'm the Business Development Manager at Makula. Are you tired of losing critical maintenance details in endless email chains and chat logs? Frustrated when a veteran technician leaves, taking valuable knowledge with them? Well, with Macula, you can keep all email and chat logs related to maintenance activities of an asset tied to it in the platform. Here, you can see that within a service request or a spare part order, you've got internal notes where your team can communicate internally, external chat to send and receive messages from customers, and email where you can assign or tag incoming emails around a particular service request, whether they're to the customer, internally to the finance department, or for example, to a vendor to order spare parts. You can tag them to a particular work order. Every communication is organized, ensuring no detail is ever lost. This means better service, higher accountability, and happier customers. Because your maintenance teams will have all the information needed to complete service requests at their fingertips. Let's meet and let me show you how Macula takes the hassle and stress out of communication around maintenance operations.